can I get a chicken biscuit?
Absolutely. Will that be awesome?
Yes, ma'am. There you go. I'm all right. Oh, you like my new electric car?
Yeah. Where'd you buy that at?
I got it at the Chevy dealer. Hello. How you doing?
All right.
It's pretty nice. It's a nice day. I forgot I'll go out and take it for a drive. Would you like to test drive it?
Yeah.
All right.
Ah, okay. I can get in it.
There you go. Yeah, might want to scoot up some so it doesn't tip back.
Okay.
There you go. All right, just push the gas and you go.
Where you from?
Right here, it's that Silverado right there. You guys got that? Huh? Yeah, it's electric Chevy Silverado. Yeah, you've never seen them? Say what? Show me the
You
state?
had that much space, right?
Well, I was trying to think if we should do it like that, or maybe, you know, like sticking it all the way in there.
And then let it hang out the back.
Yeah, I don't know. I was just wanting to see, you know, how that works. And if it was like that.
But that means your hand.
Yeah, that's going to be really far out.
Your hand.
Yeah.
You have to
Yeah, we should put it back up on top.
put your body on there.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. You want me to go ahead and sit in, or?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Man, so you can be comfortable.
Yeah, all right. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go.
Sorry we took so long.
Oh, that's all right. That's all right. Thank you very much for
Ain't no
tying it down.
problem. Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, man.
Take care, man.
Thanks
Come
a lot.
back and see me, though,
Yeah,
okay?
definitely. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, man.
All right.